Desiree. She's attempting to crowbar and stick her way in a wagon down the road. So far, this is a very sad attempt.
It was working, so shut up.
Yeah, I know, but it's not working.
Lily, Kaden, get out of the road. You can't just sit there. Jason!
Come on, Kaden!
Alan, get off my... Right, I'm gonna kill you! Ah!
Do a victory dance! Oh. Yeah?
You can watch the babies. Watch her babies, don't eat them. Okay.